This is a 169 keyboard kit and it's going to be your next purchase. Your new keyboard member is the Desktop Tri Balance 103. What is going on with these long ass names? The reason why I suggest you to buy this block of metal is because of its quality for the price. I will slowly hinting you all the features because I want you to keep watching, so keep watching. The Balance 103 is sent to me by Desktop Tri and it also has two colorways, dark gold gray and the cobalt blue. Since this is a kit, you're not getting any switch options. Instead, we have stabilizer. I recommend you to get a PCB stabilizer because it's just pure glutinous. And the best part is, no extra fees. God damn, that's a good deal. Okay, I don't know what to say next. I gotta say that was one of the best unboxing experience I ever had. The rip thingy made me feel like I'm unboxing a giant iPhone. And does that not satisfy? And it even comes with a carrying case. That's insane! Anyway, inside we have an extra PC plate. Yes, we have 2 plate options. Let's go. Even more extra thingies, just in case something happened. Then a keyboard in this plastic thing, which I don't think it was needed, but sure. Wait, where's the cable and the keycap and the switch puller? Oh well, I'd rather to have no cables than a plastic cable. Disgusting. Wow, they even sent me a gift. And it's a screw storage tray. Yay, I don't have to use my lid anymore. Wait, are they watching me? Well, hello, Desktop Tri. Oh my god, and it's even blue. They for sure watch my video. No, they just want to match the keyboard color. Oh, well here's the keyboard. I have the blue colorway. It's pretty cool. First thing first, you'll be impressed by how heavy this thing is. This is because this keyboard is aluminum, have 103 keys. Yeah, and it's heavy. Bruh. The finish of the paint is very well done, no errors to be seen. It has the smooth operator finish. Then we have the little light in the corner. You should cherish this because that's the only light you're getting. Yes, no RGB. I'm sorry gamers, but you're out of the picture. You know what? I normally don't like bigger layout, but I kind of like this one. It doesn't feel too big and I like the little divided over here. It feels really divided. Now, if you just turn the keyboard around, you'll see the beauty. Look at the bottom case, the logo, the curve, the color. This should be in a museum instead of the Mona Lisa. That thing is scary. What do you mean the eyes follow you as you move? Is she alive? Hey, the keyboard has one mode. Wait, you weren't supposed to see that. Oh, damn it. Yes, this keyboard is one mode. And that might be a bit for some of you, but yeah, no comebacks for that one. Now, let's talk about the specs. The non-extra plate option is FR4. Wait, that's an FR4 plate. I never seen a white FR4 plate in my whole entire life. Both of the plate options have flex cup, gasket socket that is in the shape that I really like and are perfectly fit into the case. See, little details like that really goes a long way. For me, I have the plate stabilizers option. Now, I wish they would go with the black stabilizer because these colorful things really make the keyboard look cheap. According to Dogman, you should never judge a book by its cover, so shall we here? That's pretty good. No more needed for you. That is the plate foam, RXPE foam, and 2 clear sheet thingy? I'm pretty sure we only need 1. Oh well, double protection. PCB which are south facing, good. Support Q&K and VAA, good. Screw-in stabilizers, good. Extra layout, good. Desktop Tri logo, sure. Flex cuts, good. 1.2mm PCB, depends. But I do have to say, this is the cleanest PCB I've ever seen. Both sides look like PCB. Personally, I would also put this in a museum. I got you. Case foam and the bottom case, which actually have a secret room. Shh. Guys, if we unscrew this and open it up, you'll see a door to board. Yay! I scammed you. It's molding time, which I get to pick the switches and the keycap. Well, technically I can do that with any keyboard, but you know. Before we get into the exciting part, let's mold this keyboard first. I don't have a specific sound that I'm going for because I don't want to embarrass myself, but I didn't, so watch me cook. First is tape mode because I want to. It's my keyboard. I do whatever I want. Since this bad boy is an aluminum keyboard that pink, I'm gonna cure it with a force break mode. Yes, call me doctor now. I did say that the stabilizer don't need any more, but who doesn't want an overloop stabilizers? And lastly, change the plate from FF4 to PC, which have this texture. For the switch, I want to give the Gatron Oil King its last chance. The amount of time I put this thing in a keyboard and it failed to meet my expectation is cray. You know what's crazy? The amount of different switches you have on that keyboard. Whoa, no need to be a hater now. This is called I don't have enough one type of switch, but have too many different switches, and it's an art form. And for the keycaps, I have the Cherokee keycap. I know I used this God know how many times now, but that's the only keycap set I have left, so it's not, I don't have an option. Low key, y'all, might need to change the switches. Yep, so a Gatron Oil King sound worse than a pre-built switch. Great! Okay, just put the keycap in. What the hell? Y'all need to stop hating because girl don't have enough keycap. Damn, I really need to do something about the quantities of my stuff A. But if we just take out our right eye, it'll be fine. Did I cook or not? Yes, I know I did. But did desktop try cook with a keyboard like I did? Yeah! We can't deny the Balance 103 offer exceptional build quality, sleek aesthetic, and a wide range of customization options. 75% layout keyboards have been dominating the keyboard community for so long now that it's refreshing to see something different. Even though this keyboard does have its own flaw, but the goods outweighs the bad. So if you want to get this keyboard, check the link in my description. Thank you, TheFatRat, and I know you can't get enough of me reviewing these keyboards, so watch this. That's pretty much it. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.